Hey tea lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of lemongrass tea, a refreshing beverage that's not just delicious, but packed with amazing health benefits. So grab your cup and let's explore the top 15 benefits of making lemongrass tea a regular part of your day. Did you know that lemongrass tea can help you sleep better, boost your immunity, and even aid in weight loss? Stay tuned to find out how. Benefit 1. Digestive health. First up, digestive health. Lemongrass tea is a fantastic friend to your stomach. Drinking it regularly can help soothe stomach disorders, including indigestion, constipation, and heartburn. It's like a spa day for your digestive system. Benefit 2. Detoxification. Next, let's talk detox. Lemongrass is a natural diuretic, which means it helps flush harmful toxins out of your body through urination. Drinking this tea regularly can keep your liver and kidneys happy and healthy. Benefit 3. Immunity boost. Boost your defenses with lemongrass tea. It's rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for maintaining your immune system. Sipping on this tea might keep those annoying colds at bay. Benefit 4. Weight loss. Looking to shed some extra pounds? Lemongrass tea boosts metabolism and burns fat by promoting healthy digestion. It's the perfect addition to any weight loss plan. Benefit 5. Reducing anxiety. Feeling stressed? Lemongrass tea can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Its calming properties can help you unwind after a long day. Benefit 6. Skin health. Glow from within. Lemongrass tea is packed with antioxidants that help cleanse your skin from the inside out. Say goodbye to skin inflammation and hello to a radiant complexion. Benefit 7. Oral health. Oral health is also on the list. Lemongrass has antibacterial properties that can help fight oral infections and even bad breath. It's like a natural mouthwash. Benefit 8. Pain relief. Suffer from regular headaches or body pain? Lemongrass tea can act as a natural pain reliever, reducing pain and inflammation thanks to its analgesic properties. Benefit 9. Menstrual pain. For those who experience painful menstrual cramps, lemongrass tea can be a soothing ally. It helps in easing the pain and discomfort during those tough days. Benefit 10. Antioxidant effects. Lemongrass is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which can help in combating free radicals in your body. This means a lower risk of chronic diseases and better overall health. Benefit 11. Heart health. Drink to your heart's health. Lemongrass tea can help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy heart. Benefit 12. Anti-inflammatory properties. The anti-inflammatory properties of lemongrass can help treat conditions like arthritis. Regular consumption can help reduce pain related to inflammation. Benefit 13. Cancer prevention. Emerging research suggests that lemongrass might have anti-cancer properties, helping to prevent the growth of some cancer cells. It's a cup of preventative health. Benefit 14. Sleep aid. Struggle with sleep? Lemongrass tea can improve the quality of your sleep, helping you to relax and drift off more easily. Benefit 15. Cooling effect. Lastly, lemongrass tea has a cooling effect on the body, making it a perfect drink for hot days or after a workout. There you have it, tea enthusiasts. 15 amazing benefits of lemongrass tea that can enhance your health in so many ways. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, or just want a calming drink, lemongrass tea is a tasty choice that packs a powerful punch. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of lemongrass tea, why not give it a try? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Share your experiences with lemongrass tea in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it's helped you. Before you go, here's a quick tip on how to make the perfect cup of lemongrass tea. Just boil a cup of water, add fresh or dried lemongrass, let it steep for about 5 minutes, and enjoy. You can add honey or a slice of lemon for an extra zing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more fascinating health benefits of natural herbs and teas. Stay healthy and keep sipping on that goodness.